picture niya ako.
Si ate, sa day. Kay para manindot imuhang kuan ba? So this is table 1, table 1, table 2, table 3, and table 4. We are at Panorama Restaurant here at Bajan Island Wellness Resort. So while waiting for the others to come, here is their comfort room. This is for male. It's so clean here, so neat. And this is for female. It's so clean. The bar. Bangka Bar.
Hi.
Mga chika dura.
Ano ang phone man na, Angel?
Picture sa to si Angel.
Oh, di mo picture really, eh?
Di ko kay Bao. The pool, of course. They are waiting.